Question number 3. Find the sum of the first 50 even numbers. The first even number, positive even number, 2, 4, 6, 8, and dot dot dot. We have to consider the integer, and the sum of first 50 terms. The first term is 2. Common difference is 8 minus 6, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 4 minus 2, 2. Let's say 4 minus 2 equal 2, and n equal 50. And we need to find what is the partial sum 50. The common formula is Sn equal n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Now we know n is 50. S50 equal 50 divided by 2. 2a is 2 and 50 minus 1, n is 50, and the common difference again 2. So this is 25, and this is 4, and this is 49 times 2. 40 times 2 is 96. So 25 times 102, that is 2550. Question number 4. Find the least number of terms to exceed 1000. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, likewise. When you get first term, it's not exceed 1000. And the first and the second term, not exceed 1000. And first term, second term, and third term, still it doesn't exceed 1000. Assume 7 plus 12 plus 17. After m terms, it exceeds 1000. So basically, we can take Sm equal m divided by 2, 2a plus m minus 1 times d. We know now Sm value will make equal to 1000. And a, first term is 7. Common difference is 12 minus 7, it is 5. Now we'll submit here. Sm is 1000. So 1000 equal m divided by 2 as it is, and 2, a value we know 7 plus m minus 1 times d is 5. 1000 equal m over 2, this is 14, plus 5 m minus 5. I expand this one from 5. 5 times m, 5 times 1. And 1000, I'll make 2000 this one, cross multiply by 2, m times 5m, this is minus 5 plus 14, that is plus 9. So we'll expand now. 5m square plus 9m, this thousands to other side minus 2000 equal 0. Now we can't simply factorize this one by looking at it. So we have to use the quadratic formula. M equal minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. So m equal minus b minus 9 plus or minus b square, 9 square minus 4 times a is 5 and c is minus 2000 divided by 2 times 5, and you will get two answers. One is n is, let me do from the calculator, n is minus 19.12 and n is minus 20.92, and n cannot be a negative number, so we have to reject that. N, so acceptable answer in 19.12, but n should be a term. Term can't be a decimal number, so we have two options. Other one is 19, other one is 20. If you take 90, then the addition is less than 1000. If you get the addition of 20 terms, then it is greater than 1000. Then hence the least number of terms required is 20. Actually, this is m, because this is m and m. Question number 5. The first term of an arithmetic series is 4. So a is given 4, and the sum to 20 terms is minus 15. 20 terms addition is minus 15. So the n value of a. So we need to find the common difference initially. So we have to use the following formula. Sn equal n divided by 2, 2a, n minus 1 times d. So we have S20 is given. Now this, instead of n, we can see that the value should be 20th term. So 20 divided by 2, 2 times a is 4 plus n minus 1 times, actually n we know, 20 minus 1 times d. S21 we know that is minus 15, and this is 10, and 8, 2 times 4, and 19d. So divide both sides by 10, or cross multiply by, divide by 10. So this is become 1.5, and this is 8, 19d. So this 8 come to this side, then this is going to be minus 9.5, 19d. So divide by 19 both sides. D value is minus 0.5. The second question is, find the common difference and the 20th term. So we know standard term, that is standard formula. Tn is equal a plus n minus 1 times d. So we want to know that what is T20. A value we know that is 4, and n is 20 minus 1, and d we already know minus 0.5 or minus half. So 4 plus 19 minus half, 4 minus 19 over 2. So this is 8 minus 19 over 2. That is minus 11 over 2. That is minus 5.5. So the 20th term is minus 5.5. Just to summarize this sum, so this is a linear equation uh, and just one equation, and you can find only one unknown. For example, they have to, yeah, this is the example. The unknown here is d. So in that case, you have to give a equal 4 and what is s20, and only three unknowns there, that is s20 and d and a. So next time you maybe get that d is given, s20 is given, but a is not available. Or next, or d is available, a is available, but sn is not available. So you have to find sn. Same as this equation. Tn equal a plus n, that is also a linear equation, one equation. So how many unknowns? This is first one, second one, third one, and fourth. Actually here also first, second, third, and fourth. Sorry, fourth one is this one. Sn1, then the n, then the a, then the d. So, and here also tn1, a, n, d. In this type of sum, they will give three unknowns or three data, a equal, n equal, d equal, find this one, or any other three. Question number 6. The sum of the first three terms of the arithmetic series is 12. So sum of the first three terms is 12. It means S3 is given 12. The other one is, other data is given. 20th term is minus 32. 20th term, T20, is minus 32. So we have two data. So basically we have to build up two equations. And why? Because A we don't know and D we don't know. So two unknowns. Then we need two equations to solve this one. That's why they have given this one. Now, what is the equation with the partial sum? Sn equal n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So n is in here 3. 3 terms addition. So S3 equal 3 divided by 2. 2a we don't know a as it is. And n we know that 3 minus 1 times d is going to be d. Because d also we don't know. So S3 we know that is 12 equal 3 over 2. Then 2a plus 3 minus 1 is 2d. Actually 12, 3 over 2, I can factorize 2 here, a plus d. 2 to 2 cancel out. 3 divided by 12, 4 equal a plus d. The same thing you can simply write in another way. This term is a. This is a plus d. This is a plus d. So this is a plus a, 3a plus 3d. A plus a 3a, d plus d 3d. Still the same thing. So 3a plus 3d equal 12, and 3 times a plus d equal 12. You can divide both sides, then a plus d equal 4. Now we have one equation with a and d. Then this is the other one, T20, 20th term. We know the standard term, standard equation, Tn equal a plus n minus 1d. Standard equation for term. Actually I put this is m minus 1 time. What is the m value here? M equal 20. I use different symbol instead of nm because this is n. So Tm value, so T20 equal a plus m is 20 minus 1 times d. T20 is, we know, minus 32 equal a plus 19d. Now we have two equations. One is this one and this is second one. So we have to solve simultaneously. This is 4 equal a plus d. So I'll multiply by minus this equation. Minus 4 equal minus a minus d equal, I'll take this as a 3. Then when I add those two together, 2 plus 3, this is cancel out. That's why I multiply by minus. So this is become 18d and this is become 36. So d equal minus 2. Then we will substitute to number 1. From 1, a plus d equal 4. A plus minus 2 equal 4. A minus 2 equal 4. A equal 4 plus 2. A equal 6. So then we have to write, therefore first term is 6 and common difference is minus 2. Now if I summarize this bit, the previous sum number 5, we have one equation, one unknown. In here, two equation, two unknowns, or two unknowns, then we need two equation. If we don't know three unknowns, then we have one more equation. Then you will get three equation to solve simultaneously. You have to solve these two, then with this one you have to solve these two, and you have to find the answer. Question number 7. Prove that the sum of the first 50 natural numbers. So what is the natural number? What are the natural numbers? Do you consider 0? We know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. Do you consider 0 as a natural number? There is an argument on this. Some mathematician accept 0, some does not. It's up to you, but we'll stay with this one. Basically, you should have an idea about what is whole number, natural numbers, then rational, irrational numbers, and then if you do further maths, the complex numbers, complex numbers, and furthermore. So, okay, let's start this one. Prove that sum of 50 natural numbers is, okay, this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, likewise. The last one is 50. So we want to find simply S50. A is 1. Common difference is 1. And N is 50. We can simply put the formula S n equal n divided by 2 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So S50 equal 50 divided by 2, 2 times 1 plus n minus 1, 50 minus 1 times d is 1 again. S50 is, you need to find actually, 25 times 2 plus 49. This is 49 times 1 is 49. 25 times times 49, 51. So this should be equal to 1275. I didn't calculate. Yeah, it should be. So this is one way of working. And with the first principles, you can simply work out S50 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 49 plus 50. And then again I'm writing S50 in ascending descending order. 50 plus 49 plus 40 48 plus this is 1 and this is 2. So when you add those two together, so S50 times S50, 2 times S50 equal 1 plus 1, 51, 49 plus 1, 51, then 48 plus 3, 51, plus dot dot, the last one, 51, and 49 plus 2, 51. Likewise, how many terms we have? 50 terms. So then 50 times 51 equal to S50. So S50 equal 50 times 51 over 2, that is 50 divided by 2 is 25 over 51, that is 1275. This is an extension to this sum, which is very important. In here we calculate what is the first addition of 50 terms. What is the addition of first n terms? We'll work out a equal 1, d equal 1. The formula is n equal n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So n divided by 2, 2 times a is 1, n minus 1, d is again 1. So n over 2, 2 plus, when I expand this one with 1, n minus 1. So n over 2, this is n, and plus 2 minus 1 plus 1. This will give a This will generalize up to this step. Now you can find for the natural number series the sum of up to any number. So we work up to 50 here, but assume using this formula you need to work out up to 200. So this will continue. Then you want find up to sum up to 200. Then you want S200. Simply you can work out with this formula. The formula is n is 200, then 200 plus 1 and divide by 2. Basically this is 100 times 201. So 201 times 2. Or if you want to find, now you assume you can't remember this formula, then you want to find the sum up to 1199 terms. So how do you do? Basically you want to find as 1999. Then you have to take this number 199 and you want to add 1. 1999 plus 1 and divide by 2, because formula is n times n plus 1 divided by 2. So this formula is for natural number series.